Inventory of aircraft carriers currently in service and under construction around the world. USS Nimitz nuclear-powered aircraft carrier, 332.8 meters long. Displacement, 100,160 tons. USS Eisenhower nuclear-powered aircraft carrier, 332.8 meters long. Displacement, 103,200 tons. USS Carl Vinson nuclear-powered aircraft carrier, 332.8 meters long. Displacement, 102,900 tons. USS Theodore Roosevelt nuclear-powered aircraft carrier, 332.8 meters long. Displacement, 106,300 tons. USS Lincoln nuclear-powered aircraft carrier, 332.8 meters long. Displacement, 106,000 tons. USS Washington nuclear-powered aircraft carrier, 332.8 meters long. Displacement, 105,900 tons. USS Stennis nuclear-powered aircraft carrier, 332.8 meters long. Displacement, 105,000 tons. USS Truman nuclear-powered aircraft carrier, 332.8 meters long. Displacement, 105,600 tons. USS Ronald Reagan nuclear-powered aircraft carrier, 332.8 meters long. Displacement, 103,000 tons. USS Bush nuclear-powered aircraft carrier, 332.8 meters long. Displacement, 103,600 tons. USS Ford nuclear-powered aircraft carrier, 332.8 meters long. Displacement, 100,160 tons. The USS Kennedy nuclear-powered aircraft carrier under construction, 332.8 meters long. Displacement, 100,000 tons. The USS Enterprise nuclear-powered aircraft carrier under construction, 332.8 meters long. Displacement, 100,000 tons. China's Liaoning conventionally powered aircraft carrier, 306.4 meters long. Displacement, 60,900 tons. China's Showdown conventionally powered aircraft carrier, 305 meters long. Displacement, 70,000 tons. China's Fujian conventionally powered aircraft carrier. It is 320 meters long and has a displacement of more than 80,000 tons. British conventional aircraft carrier HMS Queen Elizabeth, 280 meters long. Displacement, 65,000 tons. British conventionally powered aircraft carrier HMS Prince of Wales, 280 meters long. Displacement, 65,000 tons. Russia's Kuznetsov conventionally powered aircraft carrier, 306.45 meters long. Displacement, 59,000 tons. French nuclear-powered aircraft carrier Charles de Gaulle, 261.5 meters long. Displacement, 42,000 tons. India's conventionally powered aircraft carrier Vikramaditya, 284 meters long. Displacement, 45,400 tons.